Google now offers a platform that allows people to learn essential AI skills through different kind of skills programs, trainings, and tools to address specific needs of workers everywhere. So you can actually discover some courses and resources designed to help you succeed in the AI-driven world. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel, where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And of course, this isn't a tool specifically. However, I do believe learning resources such as these are certainly worth mentioning. So for anyone who essentially wants to get into the basics of generative AI, you've got this course here. I just clicked on the link and it's going to open up in a second. And ultimately what you can do is start getting familiar. I think right now, of course, most of the clients I work with are somewhat, further down the line in terms of their understanding, although, many clients actually don't even know where to start in terms of training entire teams. So one thing I will say is the fact that it is important to, have a foundational understanding, and most people actually don't even have that, which of course makes sense. It's a very rapidly evolving technology. But this is actually a great way to sort of start getting your foot in the door and so to speak, and start understanding it. So you can see here where generative AI fits in the larger AI landscape. There are things like supervised and unsupervised learning. Now these don't look too technical, of course, but they are important to know if you want to have, I guess, a somewhat basic understanding of large language models and generative AI. Of course, there are a wide range of different kind of courses. Is this essentials one, and you can see whether or not it's a beginner or intermediate sort of level of training. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you want more, I guess, business specific skills as well.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
You can actually take a look into these. So yeah, definitely check them out if you think it would be useful for you.